This is the XM-30 combat vehicle is a next-generation tracked armored fighting vehicle designed to address the critical challenges of the future battlefield. It provides unparalleled troop protection and features technology to keep our men and women in uniform ahead of the threat. Raytheon, as part of Team Lynx, is dedicated to meeting the U.S. Army's requirement for a true next-generation combat vehicle. The XM-30 Mechanized Infantry Combat Vehicle, formerly known as the Optionally Manned Fighting Vehicle, is a U.S. Army program to replace the M2 Bradley Infantry Fighting Vehicle. The Lynx XM-30 incorporates Raytheon's weapons, sensors, artificial intelligence, and system integration expertise. It provides an advanced, modular and combat-ready solution that gives soldiers a decisive advantage for decades to come. The vehicle's open system architecture accommodates future growth and modernization demands. The main armament is a state-of-the-art Lynx XM-30 remote turret that hosts an XM-91 350mm cannon, providing lethality options to meet mission requirements. Augmenting the main armament is a coaxially mounted medium-caliber machine gun, adaptable. The weapons station can mount the M2.50 caliber machine gun as well as light and medium machine guns and grenade launchers. The Lynx XM-30 outfitted with a Raytheon multi-mission launcher can fire towed javelin and the Coyote Block 3 loitering munition. With other effectors on the technology pathway, artificial intelligence is used to operate the Lynx XM-30 with 2 crew members and a third virtual crew member who will scan an area, identify potential threats, and notify the crew. Infusing AI into the XM-30 combat vehicle increases situational awareness and survivability. Engineers are using digital blueprints or twins to virtually build, test, and analyze the Lynx XM-30, as well as connect the vehicle to the digital network and get data on the battlefield. Digital engineering allows the team to make immediate design changes rather than wait to manufacture components, ensuring tech is compatible with the vehicle. American Rheinmetall Vehicles leverages Rheinmetall's global success in armored combat vehicle engineering and manufacturing to bring the U.S. Army an infantry fighting vehicle solution that is exclusively XM-30 combat vehicle. The design includes Raytheon systems for combat vehicles. Lynx has the widest range of the contenders, while on display at 46 tons. That's a compromise between protection and mobility. Lynx's lightest configuration, stripped for air transport and light combat, comes in at just 35 tons, while its heaviest configuration, for high-intensity urban combat, maxes out at 55 tons. Together, Team Lynx, American Rheinmetall Vehicles, Textron Systems, Raytheon, L3Harris Technologies, Allison Transmission, and Anduril Industries is digitally designing America's next-generation infantry fighting vehicle. Is designing an infantry fighting vehicle to address threats on current and future battlefields. Team Lynx is designing and will manufacture the XM-30 combat vehicle in the United States, partnering with suppliers across the country to expand critical engineering and manufacturing jobs in the nation's industrial base. The Army awarded a total of 2 contracts for Phase 3 and for performances. The 2 competitors will now complete the designs that began in the phase-to-concept design phase, and build at least 7 and as many as 11 prototypes for Army evaluation with a full contract value of over $700 million. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more military technology updates.